What's going on, guys? I'm back in the video. And I'm here showing you a vlog. Boom. See this? Ooh, you see how crazy this looks? Frickin', I got some good shots, but I don't know if they're the best. I know I caught one, but there's no, like, flash. We want flash. We want flash. That was pretty cool, but not as cool as the flash. I like the actual. Bruh! That was scary. I'm knock on wood. Hear it? This thing is like loud. This is the loudest it's ever been. Sure glad I'm not out jumping out of trampoline. Otherwise, I would be dead. Rip. But yeah, it's just been all right there all day. Like, legit. Still no cool lightning flashes, though. Yo! I hope I got that. I'm pretty sure I got that. Yo! If I get this, I bet my photos would be on the news. Hell no. Hell no. I'm backing up. I want to get a good shot at it. Still not the best. It's not the best, but it's getting there. Oh, hell yeah. Boom. 3, 2, 1. Nope. Nothing. Really? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nothing? Oh, dang. Holy fuck. That looked like that hit the pole. You can't see anything, but oh, well. Oh. I just got a text. What the heck? You guys hear how loud this thing is? Like, this is legit. It's not raining. It's not anything. It's just thunder and lightning. That's legit. It hit right there. Dang. How long can I go? It's been going all day. Like when I was sitting at the table, it's right here. You can't see it. There's one like right. It was all cool, dude. It was cool. And then Megan and I, after that, we were just going out in the rain, running around, being crazy. Holy crap! Holy crap! That was scary. This is the part where, like, I feel like I just gotta go running. I'm getting it. I'm not a bad filmer, at least. And you can see it. It was barely off the mountains. Okay, I was pretty good. Pretty good. I'm gonna get my shots on there. Let's go, oos. I got all day. I got all day. Looks like there's nothing right now. Just clear skies. Well, actually dark skies, but nope. There it is. Spoke too soon. But it was pretty cool. You can see all go right here on the other side. Because right now the way it's at the mountains. That's where I'm filming. But where next to the house I'm at, it went. You can see it go whoop, that, and it went from all far. Looks pretty cool at night. I mean, without lights on and anything. Go. I think my favorite shot will be the one where it hits the power wire. I think that's what it's called. Boom. Let's go. I think that one has to be my favorite because, why not? Hit power line. No bolts. You're just seeing the clouds. It's pretty cool though. If you never got a chance to see lightning, you're in for a treat right now, guys. I promise you, this is a treat for you guys. Because I know a lot of people. If you've never seen lightning, you're crazy. Because lightning's been guaranteed every place has seen lightning, except maybe the Arctic areas. I know that's it, but like, this is pretty cool though. Am I right, guys? I mean, no lightning flash it. Nope. No lightning bolt. I want the lightning bolts. Alright. Wonder if the bolts went behind me. I'm just getting as best as I could. And I still am like proud of what I got so far. Nope. I got one. Hey, power line. Your cup's still out here. Okay. I feel confident with what I'm doing. Nothing cool. No actual bolt. That's the thing. Still no bolt. I gotta take the power line. That was pretty. It's still probably be my favorite, and that's gonna be like probably something from like my Twitter or something, or Instagram. I'll go on my Instagram story. Of course, after I send it to KRQE, because I don't want anyone to say, "Hey, that's me." I'll know where I'm at. Don't do what I just did. Ha! There's still a can right there. And right there. Nothing lit right now, like actually lit. There's a flash. I can see what I'm doing through the camera. See? Almost 10 minutes worth. Oh, hell yeah. See, anyone can look up lightning and they'll find it. So we got the secrets and lighter out. Lighter and with something about fire and lightning. Not cool. Not a cool combination though. But yeah, see? Nothing. Okay, no bolts. And that's where it went before when I was talking to you about that. In that area. Boring. Hit a power line. Oh wait, if it hits a power line, don't hit the power line. Oh shoot, again, please. Because I want to be able to play my PlayStation. I haven't played it in 3 days. Still not as cool. There's no thunder. We want thunder. We want thunder. We want thunder. Oh hell yeah, that was cool. But I still see no bolts. Boring. 9 minutes. I've been vlogging for 1 minutes. Seriously? Bruh. Bruh. Blah, 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 blah. It must suck that my school goes in at 7. Oh! I'm ending this right at 10 minutes, and then I'm done. There's no bolts. Watch, there'll be bolts though when I'm done. Alright, that's it for this video, guys. And I'm out.